Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot. Recording this on my phone, so I don't know how it'll work, but I'm going to be going over really quickly how to multiply fractions and just a quick little overview of how to do this when you're presented with problems that require multiplying. Say you're doing like 1/3 of 1/2. Like, oh, I want to have I have half a pizza left and I want to have 1/3 of it. So what's my overall fraction that I'm eating? It'd be 1/3 of 1/2, which really is like, instead of saying of, you could really be saying like multiply. So 1/3 times 1/2. And straightforward how to do this, you just multiply your numerator by your numerator and denominator by denominator. 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 2 is 6. So it's 1/6. If you think about this, say you have like a pizza right here. Oh, there's half of it. And then I split that half into like 3 equal parts. Oh, okay. And I'm only doing one of those. Well, that would be, okay, if I had to split this into 3 equal parts, oh, that's only 1/6. So kind of using that picture, say 1/3, 1/2 is 1/6. Alright, good, this still looks like it's recording. So then you do, like, say, 2/3 of 3/4. So for this one, again, of means multiply, so we're really just like, oh, let's multiply. Still on red. Let's multiply 2/3 times 3/4. Well, here's a trick. If you want to get to a simplest form fraction, I'll show you that by doing this one twice. The first thing is 2/3 times 3/4. You do 2 times 3, that's going to be 6, and 3 times 4, that's going to be 12. So you have 6/12. Well, we know that equals 1/2. However, you could have also done this by what we call kind of cross-canceling. When you see these, this 3 and this 3, you know you can divide 3 into each of those once. So 3 becomes 1, and the 3 becomes 1. You see the 2 and the 4, you can do the same thing, but this one you divide 2. 2 goes into 2 one times, and 2 goes into 4 twice. So then you do 1 times 1 equals 1, and 1 times 2 equals 2, and you end up with 1/2 by what I call it cross-canceling, and you cross-cancel to simplify your fraction before you multiply. Finally, I want to go over how to multiply fractions when you're dealing with mixed numbers. So in this one we have 1 1/2 times 4 and 1/6. So to do this, you simply want to first create a improper fraction. So we would go here, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3/2 times 4 times 6 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, 25 over 6, and now we just multiply. But keep in mind, you can potentially cross-cancel, like 2 and 25, well, that's odd, so 2 can't go into either of those, that's not going to work, but 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 6 twice, so that might help us. 1 times 25 equals 25, 2 times 2 equals 4, so now we're left with 25/4. I'm going to slide over here, 25/4. Well, I know that 4 times 6 is 24, so 4 goes into 25 6 times, and there'd be 1 left over, so 6 and 1/4 would be my answer to the original question of 1/2 times 1 and 1 times 4 and 1/6. So right there is just a quick overview of how you can multiply various types of fractions.